Welcome to EdTech Hustle. My name is Rich, and today we are going to try a new feature called Animate Videos. We're going to generate videos from text prompts with the program Lensgo. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So you can sign up for a free account at Lensgo, and you can immediately start generating videos without needing to purchase credits. You can sign up for free and get started. The first thing we'll want to do is to go over to the side where it says Animate Videos. Now the next thing is to select the image dimensions. In this case it's a video, so I'm going to say 16 by 9. You also have some options in terms of the duration. If it's a normal video or a longer video, you can select that. You will want to select the model. You can see that there's a number of different models that are available. Using this, let me go ahead and I'll take Pixar, I guess. And then the last thing you can do is to select your camera movement. You can see there's a number of different options. I will just say move left. So what I'm going to do is to try 4 different idioms of famous phrases, and we are going to see what types of videos we can generate. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here is my first one. I'm going to select start, and in just a few moments we are going to see what Lensgo is able to generate. So it looks like this is finished. Let me go ahead and play, and let's see what Lensgo is able to come up with. It's kind of an animated video of a cat. You can see not really a bag, and not something that really is specific to this individual prompt, but it does look kind of cool. So let's go ahead and try another one. This time I'm going to choose the elephant in the room. Let me keep everything the same. Actually, I'll switch this to normal. I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to turn off our camera movement, but I will select a different model. I guess I'm going to choose real, and this time I'm hoping to generate an image of a real elephant inside the room. Let's go ahead and see. Alright, so this one was a little bit quicker to generate. You can see the elephant in the room. Let's see what this video looks like. Okay, not really much to it. It's just kind of like a static picture of an elephant, not really moving. You do see the sunlight change a little bit, but really not too much to this individual video. Okay, now here's the next one that I want to do. It's raining cats and dogs. Let me leave everything the same. I am going to make this video a little bit longer. And for this one, let me choose one of these other options for models. Let me go ahead and choose something like this. It says Game House Design. I'm going to select Start, and we'll see how this video looks. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, so this one I think looks kind of cool. Again, it's nothing that I could probably use. So this one looks kind of cool. It's probably nothing that I could use in a video, but it does show you some of the power that this text to video does bring. So let's do one more. Okay, here's the last one, a nice walk in the park. Let me choose my model. I'm gonna choose one of these ones. Let's try the ink painting style. Okay, leave everything the way it is. Let's go ahead and generate this, and we'll see what this one looks like. All right, let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, it's kind of interesting. It looks like there's a number of different cats, and there are people walking by. You can see people walking by the cat, and it just sort of evaporates and disintegrates and sort of dissolves in the background. But I do have to say that the look of this one is kind of interesting. So if you want to check out video generation, this text to video using AI, you can do it at Lensgo.ai. You sign up, but there's no credits that you have to buy. There's no subscription plan that you have to pay for. You can just sign up and check out some of these features for free. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please feel free and leave a comment below.